Have you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Hey, Lombax!
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
Oh, this is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
Hello, Nefarious City! I just wanted to let you all know that your Emperor has returned. The Emperor! It's very exciting to meet.
Dr. Nefarious?
Oh, honey, Club Nefarious is not up there, but a resistance spybot is, if that is what you are looking for.
Resistant Spybot? Sounds useful. Could be worth a look.
What does that mean? We all get to roleplay as if I'm just the Emperor for the first time. Let's see. I need an unlimited R&D, weapons, and a science budget for my personal use. Parties every day.
I have been saving my... Excuse me, but resistance is not permitted. Get the streaky immediately, Lombax.
Please do not approach until our greeting squads have located and eradicated this threat to the Empire.
Eradicated? I better head to the loading platform fast.
Back to work it is. We got 1 million Emperor Nefarious commemorative statuettes to ship out tonight, plus that missing rare titanium shipment to find. Tuesdays, am I right?
Absolutely.
Is that a Lombax in the factory?
Oh no, better keep moving.
Another agitator to round up. Lucky me.
If grabbing these spy bots can really get me a new rhino, oh man, when was the last time I even had a rhino?
Production is up 200%.
Keep it together, robots. 17 hours until your lunch break.
Remember, teamwork is the
I don't think I have anything that can get me over there. Yet.
The Rebel Lombax! I do not require it.
Weapons are not permitted. Spybot is here.
That spybot's mine. Whoa.
Just what I needed today.
Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank. That sounds like a club, all right.
Remember, drinks are half price with your Club Nefarious membership card.
Hi, yeah, are you the
Can't believe. First mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom. Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No name! Smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance? Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait. Hey, wait.
There he is! The fuzzball from the club!
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
There's a resistance! Resistance ends here! Thanks for listening. That's only my mark.
Now, where'd you go?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist. Jump and Phantom Dash! The club handles the rest! Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash!
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh! It's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
I cannot believe I have thanked Emperor Nefarious today. Watch out for Ratchet!
upgrade your crew? You should use that raritanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first. Let Miss Zircon make you a deal. Leaving so soon?
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there. And Miss Zircon was never here.
Man, oh man, those jets really cut into the nexus of my sister board.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the Resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The Resistance, the growing collection of citizens who are sick and tired of your diabolical dictatorship.
Here. First they come for our local music scene. Now our songs.
I am not. Unless we're doing it to you.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Wow, where'd you learn how to do? Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here? That'll work. All right. All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Buy something, Miss.
100% of the proceeds from your...
Take your time, sweetie. Leaving so soon?
Always have an influence.
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Cutting in line is against the law.
Where did you even come from?
I do not appreciate resistance, Lombax.
What the yikes? Yikes, yikes! Oh, wow. Oh, no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die.
least it was a round trip.
Hey,
Come on!
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console. Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Ratchet. Huh. Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set. Back online.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
Warbots, 5 planet-destroying cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh? After him! No!
I'm coming, Clank. No, 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 no!
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Huh? Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!
Bring me that Lombax!
So then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh, dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out!
What do you think I'm doing?
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory. There's a seeker-pede right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while. Been a lot of swamp acid between here and the Morts' gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Speedles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. As soon as I can get close enough.
5 stars, y'all.
Ratchet, can you read me?
Whoa. This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
Uh-oh, I am too old for this. I'm betting both.
You dispatch them quite capably.
Where's that speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
And the last speedle runs into that rift thingy.
Interesting. You must have a rift tether in your glove, too.
All right, smarty bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
How do you come up with this stuff? Hey, it's Maynard, the Morts' helper bot. Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There's the Speedle.
No, don't hide! Ah!
Hitting its nest might get its attention.
Yeah, hello there. Gotcha!
Oh, dear!
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the Morts.
Now, if if we could get away from this acid.
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Morts! Excuse me!
Look out!
I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash. Stop! There's the gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his robo-pet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
See? They are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends. Hey, I know where you can find a Lombax.
Another Lombax? Well, that's where your friend is. Supposed to be, you know?
Good, you're okay.
Us? Oh, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. Well, next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too fine.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerky's? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
Thanks for choosing Miss Zircons. Leaving so soon?
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look? I have some experience with dimensional anomalies.
Sure.
Greetings! Welcome! How did you get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Oh, you don't know? Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading entropic fissure that will soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup. Time will tell.
Oh. Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary. Here we are, Clank, former warbot, teamed up with the Lombax, became a hero. Ooh, good for you. Ooh, friend of my father. I see.
Your father?
You might just be the one I've been waiting for. Would you like to help me fix the dimensions?
You know how to fix the dimensions? And why are there copies of me running around?
They're your possibilities. The key to repairing this anomaly. But first, pick up that nearby sphere. This is a lift sphere. It can reduce the gravity on any object it touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an anomaly from collapsing. They look like you because that's how you interpret dimensionality. But as you can see, they've lost their way. If you can guide them to the meta-terminal ahead, you will begin to repair this anomaly. Now, enter the meta-terminal, and you'll be one step closer to fixing this dimensional anomaly.
I feel like things are slowly starting to make sense, dimensionally speaking.
Ah, a speed sphere. That'll get you moving.
Do you live on Sargasso too, Gary?
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archives. It's the greatest repository of dimensional knowledge I've ever seen.
That device may be able to redirect my possibilities. There must be a way to activate it.
Outstanding! You seem to be a natural at this, Clank.
I am cautiously optimistic. I feel myself learning something by completing these puzzles, but I cannot explain what it is.
The words will come to you when you are ready. Now, lead your possibilities to the final meta-terminal. And not to stress you out, but there's a lot riding on this. Like, a lot.
If I fix this anomaly, will that fix all the damage that has been done in this dimension?
Oh no, anomalies are spreading too quickly to do that. I'm afraid a dimensional cataclysm is coming, and our only hope to stop it is with that which caused it.
The Dimensionator?
Indeed. Hey, but if repairing anomalies is helping you learn about dimensionality, I think you'll soon be able to learn enough to save us all. Hopefully.
I wonder if I will be able to solve all of this in the end.
What makes you say that?
It has been a long time since I have been a hero. And with everything that happened with the Dimensionator, I am concerned.
In times of great stress, which seems to be every day of my life, I've always found it best to take things one step at a time. Focus on what's in front of you. That's it, Clank! You've repaired the anomaly! And now we're one step closer to stopping the dimensional cataclysm.
So then I says, listen, Mort, you, Mort, and Mort better hide that lemonade before Mort shows up.
Whoa! You saved them! How did you do that?
I am uncertain.
Rivet! How the heck are you?
Look who it is! You would not believe my luck today. My trip to Nefarious City went totally sideways. I wrecked my ship, and
You go on and leave that one to old Mort. Well, assuming you brought that part I asked for, I'll have this old thing in ship shape.
Just gotta lower the bridge, and then I'm taking you to my hideout.
What are we going to do there?
You'll find out soon enough.
Seriously, bro.
hope no more hostiles within range.
We raised the bridge to your hideout for protection, but the controls to lower it are over there on that platform.
Thanks for looking out. I'll find a way over. Don't tell me my glove thingy can interact with that rift thingy.
Your rift tether, yes. Try aiming at the rift.
Whoa! That was fun! Let me think about that.
Attempt to avoid injury going forward.
I wish you had a jetpack feature, Bolt.
I do as well.
All right, now to lower the bridge.
Thank you, Rivet. Just been a hideout when those troublemakers showed up. Don't ya worry about your hideout, no. Everything's just like you left it. Now, if you talk to whoever's flying that zig, you tell them to stop it.
Come on, bridge. Seriously? There has to be another way across.
I may regret suggesting this, but what about the Speedle?
What about it? Oh.
Some sugar? Feel free to browse.
Let's go! Almost home. And there's another Grunthor in the way.
I do regret this.
Come on. We both know how this is gonna end, big guy. Woo! And now for my final enemy, Morts' pressure knives. Time to find out the truth about you.
If only I could talk with Ratchet.
Home sweet home.
Why are you so hesitant to trust me?
Look, robots aren't really my thing, especially when they're tearing my galaxy apart.
I am not. I was trying to help Ratchet find the other Lombaxes.
We'll see the truth soon enough. Once I scan you and the infobot I found in Nefarious City. Safe for now.
This is extremely unnecessary.
Lombax. Okay, so you were being honest.
As I have been saying repeatedly,
You're Nefarious. He looks a lot like mine. Evil like him, too. And that Lombax. I know it might sound crazy, but
you think he is your dimensional counterpart.
or something. Look, whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
We? I thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just most. You know, like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates. Yeah, I see the irony too.
Oh, I apologize. I did not mean to,
You feel bad? Even though I just watched your brain diary thingy?
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
Oh dear, no!
Hey! That's my annoying robot!
Deploying amphibious explosives to neutralize hostile furball.
Hang in there, Bolts! I'm coming! That Seeker flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down. Gotta hit the flight stabilizer.
You must be so excited for annihilation.
Give me back my robot!
Backup power has almost restored the flight stabilizer. How delightful!
What? No, you're not getting away from me!
Time to change tactics. Deploying amphibious explosives.
Throw whatever you want. You're not getting away from me. Gotta say, Bolts. I can't get to the flight stabilizer until I jump on that thing's back.
Your destruction is most definitely assured.
Bring it!
unfortunate.
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we've still got some unfinished business. Ooh, we should see if Mort fixed up the ship. By the way, how about I hook you up with a signal booster to fix that communicator of yours?
That would be delightful.
Not as thrilling as what we're gonna find in this infobot, but it'll be close.
Rivet! Ship's ready and waiting for ya!
Mort, you fixed it! Thank you. Ready to go?
Absolutely.
Thanks for choosing Miss Zircons. Happy to help, huh?